Welcome to this video on column addition, including decimals. Let's have a look at a couple of questions together. The first question is 7,069. Add 14,215. As you can see, I've already placed all of the digits into the correct columns. I'm going to start off the column furthest to the right, the ones column. 9 ones, add 5 ones equals 14 ones. I'm going to take 10 of those ones and exchange them for 110. I still have 4 ones to place in the ones column. Now it's on to the tens column. 6 tens, add 110, add another 110, equals 8 tens altogether. It's the hundreds column next. 0 hundreds, add 2 hundreds, equals 2 hundreds. Let's move on to the thousands column. 7 thousands, add 4 thousands, equals 11 thousands. I'm going to take 10 of those thousands and exchange them for a 10,000. I've got 1,000 left over, and that goes in the thousands column. We're going to finish with the tens of thousands column. So 1 10,000, add another 10,000, equals 2 10,000s. My answer is 21,284. Now let's look at a question with decimals. Once again, I've placed all of the digits into the correct columns. The first thing I'm going to do is use 0 as a place value holder. You don't have to do this, but I think it's a good habit to get into, and it can help avoid mistakes later on. This time the column furthest to the right is the hundredths column. 0 hundredths add 3 hundredths equals 3 hundredths. We're going to move on to the tenths column next. 5 tenths add 9 tenths equals 14 tenths. I'm going to take 10 tenths and exchange them for a 1. I've got 4 tenths still to put in the tenths column. Before I move on to the ones column, I'm going to put my decimal point in the answer. Okay, next on to the ones column. 2 ones, add 7 ones, add an extra 1, equals 10 ones altogether. So I'm going to exchange those 10 ones for a 10. And I haven't got any ones left, so I'm going to put a 0 in the ones column. Next is the tens column. 7 tens, add 4 tens, add an extra 10, equals 12 tens. I'm going to take 10 of those tens and exchange them for 100. I've got 2 tens left. There you go in the tens column. Finally, the hundreds column. There's just 100 here. In it goes. And my answer is 120.43. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.